In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know how to find Notion through Google, log in, create a new page, and then add a subpage right inside it. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. Let's begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion, then look for the official Notion result. It should come from Notion's official domain, and clearly mention Notion's productivity or workspace tools. Click that result to open the Notion homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top of the page for the Login button and click it. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace automatically. If not, continue through your usual sign-in flow to reach your Notion workspace. Inside Notion, you'll see your sidebar on the left and your content area on the right. To create something new, click New Page. This opens a fresh, blank page where you can start organizing your thoughts or projects. Notion saves as you type, so there's no need to hunt for a Save button. At the top of this blank page, click into the title field and type Page 1. This becomes the main page you'll be working with. If you ever change your mind, you can rename it later by clicking the title again. Next, click into the body area just below the title so your cursor is in the content space. This is where Notion lets you add all kinds of blocks, text, headings, lists, databases, and more. Hover slightly to the left of your cursor until you see a small plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to open the block menu. This menu is your toolbox for building pages. Scroll or type to find the option labeled Page. Selecting Page creates a nested page block, which is perfect for organizing information hierarchically, like chapters inside a book. A new page will open, nested under Page 1. Click the title area at the top and type Page 2. That's your subpage, and it lives neatly inside the first page. You'll notice a breadcrumb at the top that shows you're inside Page 1, so you can jump back whenever you're ready. At this point, you've successfully created a main page and a subpage using Notion's built-in tools. That's it. You searched for Notion, logged in, made a new page titled Page 1, and then added a nested Page 2. Keep building on this structure to organize projects, notes, and resources with clarity and ease.